If I could show you, I'd hope that you could see all the possibilities. There could be a place for you and me.
Okay guys, so I ended up ordering this faux cowhide rug for my apartment, and I honestly was very confused when I unboxed it because I didn't know if I liked it. I had a very specific vision for how I wanted to style it, but after staring at it for a couple of days, I just realized it wasn't my aesthetic at all, so I ended up returning this rug and getting a different one, but that's okay because it's all trial and error and just a part of the apartment decorating process, and you're not always gonna love what you initially get. So I just finished with work and I got ready because I'm getting dinner with my friend today, and the weather is actually pretty warm right now, so I threw on a summery outfit just to have one last summer fit before fall gets here. But before my friend gets here, I actually have to go return a couple of Amazon packages. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I actually just got back from a really fun team barbecue event for work, but now I'm gonna go pick up a console table for my hallway because it's freaking massive, and honestly it's probably where most of my square footage goes towards. I scored one for 40 bucks, which is honestly so good, and I think the design is really cute. But yeah, Facebook Marketplace is where it's at, people. So I just finished setting up this console table that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. I feel like it gives kind of cute farmhouse vibes. But one thing I realized is when I got there, it was so much smaller than I thought it would be. And it's not like the person's fault, like she provided the measurements. I just didn't think to visualize it before I went to pick it up. If you guys ever buy something from Facebook Marketplace, make sure if you have like a tape measure or something, just to be able to like visualize how big the piece is gonna be. I needed something here to just kind of like furnish it, so I think this is a good piece to have. I'll probably decorate the top of it. Alright guys, it is currently 6:30 a.m. I'm actually awake to go on a hike with some friends at Mount Rainier, which honestly I'm pretty excited for because I haven't been to Mount Rainier when it's not snowy, so I think it'll be fun. But yeah, I feel like I don't love hiking enough to be awake this early. We are at Natchez Trail.
taking a picture.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so we thought you guys were saying hi to us.
Oh.
Alright guys, so I just got back from the hike and I showered and now we're home. I am not a hiker at all, even though I live in the PNW, but this one I actually really liked. I think it was actually my favorite one that I've done in Seattle. For me, when I feel like I'm hiking, the amount of work that you put in is not really worth like the reward or the view, but I feel like this one, like the hike itself was not bad, but also it was just views all around as you're walking because it was Mount Rainier, and so I think it was like so worth it. But yeah, now I have a couple of things I have to do at home. I need to organize my nail polishes because I ordered this organizer storage box from Amazon and it came today, so I'm gonna do that. And then also I got my vacuum, so my place has really been needing a good vacuum, and I also have just like a bunch of boxes that have been sitting in my hallway since I moved in, so I need to take care of those. And I also just wanted to say that if you're new to my channel or are watching my Living Alone diaries, welcome. I feel like my life and content doesn't really follow the usual living alone trope of people loving to be a homebody and spending a lot of time at home, which is really great content, but I feel like it's just not me and my lifestyle. Even though I live alone, I love being out and meeting my friends and just like doing fun stuff around the city. And I'm honestly not much of a homebody, but I think the reason I decided to live alone was because I realized after I come back from a long day outside, I just need my home to be like my sanctuary where I rest and recharge. You guys will probably see a good mix of me doing stuff at home but also going outside. I'm still really excited to decorate my space and make it my own. So, alright, let's go organize my nail polishes.